Hello everyone, it's Dick here. If you've been watching my channel of late, you'll have seen my series of videos featuring the new BMW F450 GS. I was offered a 24-hour loan and took full advantage of that time, riding it 500 miles to Wales and back. If you haven't seen my videos chronicling that ride, I encourage you to take a look. In those videos, I spent a lot of time discussing the new ERC, or Easy Ride Clutch, which BMW has decided to include on the top-spec Trophy Edition. In case you didn't know, the ERC is a system that relies on a mechanical combination of standard multi-plate clutch and centrifugal weights. It requires no electronic actuators or computer intervention. You pull the manual clutch lever only to start the bike. Once engaged in gear, releasing the lever without providing fuel via the throttle or shifting it into neutral, it won't stall the engine. To proceed with riding, the clutch automatically activates and smoothly engages once the engine reaches 2700 RPM. You still need to shift gears with your foot via the Quickshifter over 3000 RPM, or you manually control the clutch via the bar-mounted lever. BMW's ERC operates purely mechanically. Because it uses weights and springs rather than electronic actuators, it requires no ECU or engine control unit computer. The system prevents stalling and automatically engages when you twist the throttle. Despite my anti-technology philosophy on motorcycles, I was converted to a believer and lauded the functionality and ease of use of the not-so-new technology. I even reported the information offered by the dealership that the ERC was available for installation on lower-spec models, and if you wanted a Trophy Edition without the ERC, you could have it removed for an approximate £500 savings. In the 2 weeks that have passed since my ride, and the 3 weeks since the bike's launch, a lot seems to have happened. Being the powerful and far-reaching influencer that I am, BMW has been overrun with orders for the new 450 worldwide. Many of my viewers have contacted their dealerships with the hopes of ordering a Trophy without the ERC. Subsequently, I have heard from certain BMW representatives asking me to remove the content suggesting this modification is possible. I have been asked to emphasize that customers need to seek advice from their individual dealerships regarding the possibility and any associated costs involved with this modification. I have been asked to inform my viewers that any previous comments regarding cost or availability of such a modification should be disregarded. I have also been told that officially there are no plans on offering the Trophy model without the ERC. How's that for opening a can of worms? Simultaneously, some new owners have experienced troubling mechanical issues with their ERC models, including rolling on inclines. Unlike a traditional manual transmission left in gear, the ERC system disengages the clutch when the engine drops below 2700 RPM. This means if you are stopped on a steep hill, the bike will freely roll backward or forward once you let off the brakes, as it lacks a hill start assist. Customers have also experienced clutch slippage and wear. Starting from a standstill in high gears or undertaking slow-speed maneuvers in third or fourth gear causes the ERC to slip to prevent the engine from stalling. Repeated abuse will trigger high-temperature warnings on the dash and can result in premature clutch wear or slipping plates that require replacement. Subsequently, BMW has issued a delivery hold and service campaign regarding the Easy Ride clutch on the 450 GS. The issue stems from the clutch plate wear and slippage, and BMW has approved complete clutch replacements for affected models. While not yet officially a recall at this stage, these issues were so concerning to BMW that they have halted delivery of all new ERC models and have issued an callback for previously sold models. Well, shit. When I reached out to my BMW contacts, I received this well-worded message in response. Hi, Dick. As far as we are aware, BMW have found an issue with a number of ERC units at the manufacturing stage. So they have issued a recall to make sure that the other units comply with correct operational standards. It is quite common for manufacturers to issue recalls. Perhaps I should reiterate that I am not affiliated with BMW or any dealership in any way. My loan of the BMW was without payment or endorsement, and I was surprisingly asked to make a video knowing full well that I provide honest reviews without the pressure of losing future incentives or rewards. That being said, I was and remained very impressed with the new 450 GS. And despite the recall, or whatever they want to call it, and the apparent backpedaling regarding whether the ERC can or cannot be removed from the Trophy Edition, I remain stalwart in my estimation of the bike. Early adopters of new products are always plagued with bearing the brunt of design and production snafus, not to mention the immediate deflationary values of their new shiny toys. I wonder how many people out there remember the near-crippling recall of the Royal Enfield Himalayan 411. I am also not surprised at these revelations. I have always been cautious when interacting with dealers and dealer service departments, and this situation has not affected my approach either way. I know BMW engineers have the ability to resolve these issues, but I hope that BMW executives have the will to allow their engineers to do their work. I hope they do not abandon their ambitions for developing new and innovative products for their customers. Too many advancements have been abandoned due to commercial decisions, condemning consumers to being bottlenecked by safe, conservative, snail's-paced incremental changes that have stymied progress. I was promised a jetpack by the year 2000. Instead, the greatest technological minds of the last 3 generations have applied their efforts to making better delivery systems for porn, bullying, and household products. Come on, BMW. Fix the ERC, and then move on to my fucking jetpack. If you like that video, and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.